Welcome to Annabelle's Finquita. Today is a wonderful afternoon, very sunny. I just picked up some flowers from my yard, and I have all the ingredients here for my lunch. I'm gonna do a quick lunch, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna prepare boniato. Boniato is from the family of the potato and the yams and the sweet potato. We use it a lot in Cuba. Fry it. You can boil it. You can do it in soups. It's really healthy and good for yourself. Today I'm gonna fry it with avocado oil. Also, I have a plantain here. It's gonna be sweet because it's already yellow. Sometimes when it's green, you can prepare that too a different way, and that's what we call tostones. But in this case, it's gonna be sweet, all right? And I have here tamarind. Tamarind is a fruit. It's really nice. I love tamarind. It has a lot of vitamin C. It's used a lot in Indian cuisine. And in Cuba, we just eat it like this. We take the outer part, and it has a pulp inside with seeds. You just eat the pulp around the seed. Really good. So, and I'm gonna prepare me some salmon. So I'm gonna be eating salmon with fried boniato and plantains. I'm gonna prepare me a natural tea with herbs that I pick up from the garden. I got basil, I got mint, I got some dandelion. This rosemary is for the fish. And I have this natural pack of lots of other herbs that I can use for my tea. So let's get started. Here's the tamarind. That's how it looks. And this is the seed. You just don't eat that. You eat this part. Just like that. It's really good. This is bark. This is really good for starting a fire. Okay, we're gonna use some cumin for my tea. Cumin is super good for your stomach. Okay, I like to use it, the whole seed, and break it down. That'll make it more flavorful, and the aroma will come more naturally in the tea. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some basil. Just break it down a little bit, not too much. And the mint. The mint. not the flowers. The flowers, I'm gonna put it in the tea as a whole. Okay, I got all my cumin, my basil, and my mint here. So I'm gonna add it to the container. Those are the small flowers that I got, the petals and the dandelion. And here I got some chamomile, lemon balm, California poppy. So, which is dry already. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon there. Yeah, that'll be good enough. Let me add the water. The water is hot. Gotta be careful. Then we're gonna cover with the lid and let it rest for 50 minutes. Okay, we're gonna peel the boniato. We're gonna cut it in pieces and we're gonna put it inside salty water before frying it. Yeah. I love boniato. It's like eating potato, but it's sweet. We're gonna wash this. Just gonna make 2. This is good enough for me now. I love this tamarind though. They're really good. Reminds me when I was a kid. Really good. Good. Almost done. We're gonna add water to this to clean it a little bit. Okay. And we're gonna cut it now. Let me get the bigger knife. Put the flowers down just in case. Let's start with this one. The smaller you cut it, the faster it'll cook. And it'll be more crunchy. Okay. Okay. So, use the trash. Okay, now we're gonna add water to this. That way they don't turn brown like potatoes do. And we're gonna add some salt. Let's see, this is salt. We're gonna add some salt to the water. And we're gonna let it rest for a little bit there. Okay? Now I'm gonna cut the fish, because I'm gonna make the fish first and then I'm gonna fry this later. Oh, and the plantain is really easy. Let me show you how I cut it. I can cut it already. How I peel the plantain. This is what you do. You cut the ends. Cut the ends. Of course, the knife is not the best one for this. And it comes out really easy like that. That's it. Then I'll slice it when it's ready to fry. I'm gonna leave it in this plate here for now. This is wild salmon, wild caught salmon. So, to cut it better here, cut it in small pieces like this. Four pieces. We're gonna add it to the container and we're gonna season the fish. First, we're gonna add salt. So we're gonna add, let's see what we got here, a little bit of pepper. Fresh rosemary that we're gonna add. Yeah. From my garden. Rosemary. The aroma of rosemary is fantastic. Let me bring you closer to this to see what's gonna happen next. All right, now we have salt, pepper, and the rosemary, and we're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, just a tiny bit. And we're also gonna add some honey teriyaki sauce. Now we're gonna add it really good to the fish. And it's ready for frying. Let me wash my hands. I'm asking permission to the woods to cook outside. That's what I do when I play my gun. Okay guys, let's add some oil. This is avocado oil, very good for deep frying, very healthy. Okay, fish is ready. Now we're gonna cook the boniato. They're ready. They're ready. Let me bring the plantains. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the plantain right here. right, time to eat. Now I'm going to taste. Okay, first I'm gonna serve my tea that is ready. I like to add honey to my tea. So let's add a little bit of raw honey. And let's stir. There's a bee around me. Okay, let's try it. It's really sweet, and I can taste the cumin and the mint. It's really good. So let me try the fish. So good. Oh my, it's so crunchy. Those are the boniaticos. And the plantains. This food is delicious. Oh my god. You can make the salmon like this fried. This is real salmon, guys. When you're gonna buy salmon, make sure it says wild caught, okay? That's the real one. The other ones are farm salmons. They're raised in farms and they're not the same. This is so good. All right, well, I hope you like this video. Let me swallow the food first. Really good. I hope you like this video. I hope you can try to make this. It's very simple. You can find this in the Spanish markets and maybe a local small store. You can find this type of sweet potato, which is called Boniato, and in another I noticed that they call them Japanese tomato or something. Japanese they call them Japanese potatoes. Japanese potatoes. But we know this as Boniato in Cuba. And these are plantains and the fish, which is great. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.